Alright guys, so I have got a project ahead of me today. Big project. Disposing of all of these trees. I tore down all these trees here and over there. And now I've got to get rid of them. I'm gonna cut them up. I've got my chainsaw here. This is an MS 461 chainsaw made by Steel. A good professional grade chainsaw. It was not cheap, but it gets crap done quickly. Bought it so I could cut firewood for the winter. It's great for this type of project as well. So let's get to work and start cutting up all of these trees. So I've got these trees and those over there. It's gonna take me several hours to get these all cleaned up. So this thing is a fantastic chainsaw. I love it. It costs about $1,000. So I've gotta try to fit all of these trees in that dump trailer, so I'm gonna have to cut these up pretty small, which kind of sucks. But I'm gonna do my best to see about getting that done. Well, that's a bad deal there. That could have turned out bad. Look at that. Chain came off the bar. Obviously, I did not have that adjusted properly, so let's get her fixed up. So when I was buying this chainsaw, I thought I was getting the buttons that I'm unscrewing right here, these screws, or these nuts. I thought I was getting the buttons that stayed on there. These little spring-loaded buttons, but apparently I didn't get that. I thought that's what I was buying. I've never enjoyed trying to put these chains on. It's not exactly a pleasant experience. So I think the chain got jacked, which really sucks. It's not spinning in the groove like it should. Okay, so see here, that is too loose. Way too loose. Like that, that's way too loose. So I need to tighten that up a little bit. That's too loose. All right, so let's go back at it and get back to the process. Somehow I've got to figure out how to get that stump behind me into the trash trailer. That really sucks. All right, so I got this side pretty well cleaned up. I just need to dispose of that stump and then throw the dirt back into the bed. Let's see if I can move this thing. remember guys, always lift with your back. All right, let's see if I can get this thing in the trailer. Remember, always lift with your back. See how much work I've got left to do over here. Just need to get at it. Start working. So it is going to be nice to get all this cleaned up, because when I was using the loader to push these trees over, made a huge mess of my dirt. Get your dirt right. So it's going to be interesting to see what kind of damage I did. It was not an easy machine to use, and so once I get this cleaned up, I should be able to see what the damages are. All right, so I am done for the day. At a pretty good stopping point, I guess. The trailer is kind of full, but I'm just spent and I don't want to work on this anymore. I'm going to finish the rest of it this week, I guess. So, and then I still have some tree limbs there, or some trunks, probably 1, 2, or 3 or something like that. The damage is pretty severe. Got a big old hole over here, holes here. The sod got ripped up there. I know my sprinklers got torn up pretty good. Just gonna need to get the skid steer over here and kind of get it cleaned up and leveled out once I get all of these branches and these roots and everything out of here. So that's gonna do it for this video. I hope you guys like this stuff. If you like my videos, please subscribe to my channel, hit the like button, all that stuff, but mainly you hitting the subscribe button tells me that you'll want to see more of this, and it motivates me to make more videos for you if you like this, like these. So anyways, thanks for watching, and I will see you guys in the next video. So before we close this video, I just want to announce that I've got these Lawn Rebel sweatshirts. These are a fleece sweatshirt. They are very comfortable. They look like this on the inside. It's also got this version here with the YouTube logo on the sleeve here. And these are on my website or whatever. If you guys want to support me. But I'm going to do a quick giveaway on these 2 sweatshirts right here. How I'm going to do this is I'm just going to look at the comments from the last video that I posted. And I'm going to pick a number between 1 and 20, or 2 numbers between 1 and 20. Will you please pick me 2 numbers between 1 and 20? So she says number 7 and number 18. So we're gonna pick the 7th comment and the 18th comment, and those 2 people are gonna win. The first one is gonna be this sweatshirt right here. You have to contact me. My contact information will be down below. Email me and we'll get you set up. So for this sweatshirt, it's comment number 7 on this video here. Okay, 6, 7. So Schmigs right here is Schmigs. It's always a good day when a cottonwood tree falls. That's true. Very good day. So Schmigs, if you contact me within a couple days, I'll get you set up with this shirt right here, or the sweatshirt. Just contact me. And then number 18. So number 18 is David McCarty. Looking forward to seeing that area nice and leveled and seated. Gonna look nice. So David McCarty, you win this one. So contact me. My contact info will be down below. Connor@lawnrebel.com. So if you guys didn't win and you want to buy one for Christmas, go to my website, lawnrebel.com, and buy you up one. They're available for purchase. So yeah, and I'll send them out. Love you guys so much. Best video viewers ever. See you later.